Today I'm trying a new henna brand for my eyebrows, Bigen. I chose this one because it looks incredibly easy to use. Just add water, no developer needed like the other brands that I have tried. Plus, henna is plant-based, so it's free from harsh chemicals found in many dyes. Make it a safer choice. I picked it up from Amazon, so let's jump and see how it goes. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Cheva, a small business owner, content creator, and a mom. I love sharing a little bit of everything on my channel, from behind the scenes, glimpses of my business, to product reviews and fun DIYs. So if you are into that, I would love for you to stick around. Now let's start. Since we are working on our eyebrows, we are not gonna use a lot of product for this project, if you want to call it like that. I'm just using the lid that comes with the bottle, and I'm pouring just a little bit of henna and a little bit of water, like drops of water, maybe 4 to 5 to start with, and then I'm gonna stir it with an orange stick. This consistency that you see here is not adequate. It's like too dry. I put 2 or 3 more drops, and this is the consistency that you wanna achieve. You're gonna let that mixture rest, and you're gonna clean your eyebrows with soap and water. It's important to have a clean face, a clean eyebrows, so nothing interferes with the henna and the hair. So now that we let it sit for about 2-3 minutes and it reached the color that we wanted, that we were looking for, we're gonna start applying it to our eyebrows. Not from the beginning, but we're gonna leave probably, I will say, 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter, and then we're gonna start applying the product on our eyebrows, because we want the tail to be the tail. Let's imagine that the eyebrows, okay, so I'm gonna explain like this. The eyebrow, you're gonna separate it or divide it in 3 parts. Okay, so the first part is going to be the head, and the second and the third is going to be the body and the tail. We're gonna apply that in the body and the tail, and we're gonna put a lot of product in there. For the first part, which is the head, we're just gonna put a teeny tiny drop or a little bit of product in there, and then with a spoolie we're gonna start brushing it off. Now we're gonna start cleaning the excess with a Q-tip, and it's important for you to do it fast, because the henna is going to stick, is going to dye your skin. It's gonna stain your skin. That's the word that I was looking for. Now we're gonna clean the excess of our eyebrows, and then we're gonna let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, or according to your liking. In this first try, I waited 5 minutes and then I cleaned it off, but I didn't like it because it was a little bit too light, and I needed something a little bit more dark. Natural, but a little bit more dark. So what I did, and is what I like about the henna, is that you can actually use it right after the first application. You can use it right after the first application because it's natural, it's not gonna harm your skin. Now what I am doing is I am applying in the section 2 and the section 3, because those are the parts that I want more dark. Section number 1, or the head, I am not gonna touch it because I am happy with the results. Now I'm cleaning it again, I'm cleaning the excess again, and this time I let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes. So in total, the next time I am gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes, and I think I'm gonna be happy with just one try. Now I'm cleaning it off. It's important for you to clean it really good, because if not, the henna is gonna keep on getting darker and darker. Now, I am recording this voiceover after a month, and I just wanted to let you know that I keep on using this product every week and I love it. Okay, I wanted to give you an update. I am not going to retouch. I would like to see how long I can last without using the product again, without redoing my eyebrows. I will probably leave you a comment letting you know how long it lasted, but so far so good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy seeing how this henna worked for my eyebrows and learn a few helpful tips along the way. Now let me know in the comments if you have tried Bigen before or another henna products, or if you have any other recommendations. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.